you're looking for an easy activity for your kids, go check out Simple Mom Project. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to make it. But for the instructions and the template, you can go check the website. Let's start! So first, we're going to be needing to cut the template. Again, it's from Simple Mom Project. Just a reminder, for little kids like Olivia, you'll be needing bigger and kids, a baby, older kids than Olivia. But for me, I can cut it myself. So first, you're gonna need to start with this thing and the belly on top of it. Oh yeah. So cute how she did it. So next we're gonna need to put the eyes on the red mask face thing, like this. Mommy, look at me. I'm doing good. Yeah. Okay, we'll do the other one. Next, you're gonna be needing to write your message. You can copy us if you want, but you can do your own message. So I'm gonna start with that. Okay. Hi, Dada. Making this heart owl? Yeah. It's have a belly heart. Belly. It's that easy. If you like this video, make sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button.